your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make super healthy beetroot and date milkshake. So guys, let's jump right in. Watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.